Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Drew and currently I'm in Kirra Beach on the Gold Coast in Australia, which is actually really exciting because the beaches here are phenomenal. Anyways, I feel very lucky slash blessed, I guess, to be able to be here and experience this. We're currently staying in Brisbane and you can drive an hour and a half or so to get down to the Gold Coast beach. In Brisbane right now while we're there, I've been pretty busy, and so right now I'm taking it pretty easy, not doing much, trying to relax a little. We're only here for 4 nights, 5 days. We're about to go for a walk. I took a little video for y'all of the hotel room so y'all can see a tour of that. Maybe today we'll get to go play mini golf at the hotel. I want to get in the ocean this week. I have a cut on my knee from when I fell, and so I'm not for sure if that's going to happen. Just thought I'd give you all a little update. Maybe later today I'll give you the full update of where I've been at and how I got to Australia, what happened while I was in the US because I just stopped filming completely there. So I got up this morning, drank my coffee, took it easy, stretched a little, ate my breakfast, which oatmeal with bananas. And in Mexico we ate oatmeal and bananas for 6 months straight, but here bananas are so expensive that it was actually a treat. I never thought I would say that it was a treat to eat a banana, but it was, because there's $3 a pound here, essentially. In the US maybe a little bit less, but still very expensive. I was gonna get ready real quick, go for a walk, explore a little, show y'all a little bit of the beach. I did a little bit yesterday. I think we're gonna walk a different way than I walked, so that will be good. I brought some makeup back from the US. I still have this really crappy mascara from Argentina, but we're using that anyways. And then I brought a cover-up stick. This is the extent of the makeup that I brought with me from the US. I don't want to travel with a lot, but these two things make me feel semi-okay about myself. Not that I'm not beautiful without makeup. So if y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see in this light, but my hair is getting so blonde in Australia. It is crazy. The sun here just seems to be so much more intense, which apparently they say there's this hole in the ozone layer, which is supposedly getting better. Wearing lots of sunscreen and trying to stay out of the sun or on the beach. So I'm gonna go in the sun, obviously. But my hair is getting super blonde and I'm getting a lot tanner, or for me, a lot tanner. I'm trying to be quick so we can go before it gets hot. It's not even hot outside, it's like 73 degrees, but in the sun it just gets really hot here. And the beach is full sun, obviously. Actually, the beach is full sun here. That's not obvious. In Hawaii, there was a lot, in Honolulu, there was a lot of beach shade, which was so nice. Hawaii was really great. We were only there for 24 hours. I think it was enough to see the main parts of Waikiki Beach. So essentially, I've been beach hopping, which I never thought I'd get to do in my life. But it's just one beach after the other. Pretty soon we won't be doing that anymore because beaches cost a lot of money. Do I look okay? See? It's great. Already done. I just can't see myself, to be honest. Okay. Do I look better? Do I look fierce? Yeah. Okay, well, let's go to the beach. So we got back from our walk and we walked about 3 miles-ish. Really nice. It wasn't super hot, but it was just the perfect temperature, I guess, outside. And so we saw some cool trees. The difference between here and Surfers Paradise, which is where we were in our last trip whenever we first got into Australia, we were in Surfers Paradise. It's busier in Surfers Paradise and there's not as many birds, which the birds were so cool. So I wish I could have filmed that for y'all. I wanted to tell you guys kind of what's been happening with me. The last time that I filmed was in Brazil, in Iguazu Falls, Brazil, and I'm not even sure what footage I have of that because I haven't gone through that yet. Essentially what happened was in Buenos Aires, I was trying to learn to edit because I'd never done that, but I've been filming for y'all and I didn't know how to edit and it was just too overwhelming for me at the time. And so I kind of had almost given up on that dream a little bit because I didn't want to edit. And if I can't edit these videos, then there's no point in filming. I guess, gave up on that, but I was still filming a little bit, trying to think, well, maybe one day I'll edit. Then in São Paulo, Brazil, where we flew out of, we stayed there for 2 weeks. I didn't film at all, and then we went to the US and I didn't film at all either. We took an overnight bus into São Paulo, so I was very tired. And once I get tired, I kind of just want to give up with everything. I think that's probably why I didn't film in São Paulo. Then we flew to New York City, and that we got in New York City at 2 or 3 in the morning. It was 24 hours of flying, and so that just took forever as well. And I am in my element in New York City, so it was 4 days in New York. Even one day I walked 12 miles up and down Manhattan, just doing random things. I took the subway places, did other things, but walking, everything. It was so much fun. I love New York City so much. I think in a previous vlog I said New York City is my favorite city in the world, and I just love it. I love riding the subway. This time I had major subway issues because we got closed down and I was having to switch, and learning that system a little bit more and seeing some of the difficulties of what it took to live in New York City. But anyway, so we flew into New York. I didn't film there. If you want, a lot of other people will probably film New York, so you can get it from them. We took a bus from New York to Washington, D.C., and stayed with my brother for 2 weeks, and at that point I hadn't told anybody that I was actually filming for YouTube. Nobody really knows now either, but they kind of know that we may have, or because a lot of people suggest I do this, so they're like, well, why don't you do that? And then my friend will be like, well, we kind of have, but at that point, like, really nobody had told us that. I didn't want to film because I just didn't think I was going to continue doing it at all. Once again in the US, I think I just get so tired, like socially, emotionally, physically. Physically, I didn't do much in the US. Like, we stopped walking. I have a car most of the time. And so you just get in the car and do things instead of walking places. And so in the US, physically, I didn't do much, but emotionally and mentally, a lot more fatigued because I was constantly seeing people, constantly talking to people. I know that takes just as big of a toll on me as physically being tired. I just was like, I think I'm done. Like, I didn't tell anybody. I didn't tell my friend that I was done filming, but I just was like, between the editing in Buenos Aires and being in the US and being tired and just not thinking I could do it, I just decided I was done. I was done doing this, and I wasn't ever going to learn to how to film. I wasn't ever going to take good videos, and emotionally, mentally in the US takes a toll on me. And as much as I love the comfortability of it and I miss it now, I have not had a good time in Australia, to be honest, mentally, because I really do want to be back in the US, and it makes me sad. Like right now, it makes me want to cry thinking about how much I miss the United States and how much I wish that I could be there and be with my family and be with the people that truly care about me. And I'm with people that truly care about me, but I just miss that a lot. Anyways, I came to Australia and I really have nothing to do here. To be honest, I go for walks every day, but our living situation, we're living with my friend's parents, which is really wonderful that they do that, and we're going to do it for 3 months, and I think I'm going to be able to do it now, but that's because I'm videoing and I've been editing. I've been teaching myself how to edit these videos, started that process, and it's actually going okay, maybe, cross our fingers, and kind of enjoying it, just learning how to do it. And I've been doing some shorts, and hopefully those will be coming out soon. And I've been editing all my Buenos Aires videos, so hopefully all that will be coming out really soon. But I wanted to tell you guys where I was at, what was happening. Staying busy in Australia has really helped me mentally stay on track a little bit more. So like when I have a breakdown, it's less often because I'm keeping myself busy instead of sitting there not doing anything because I don't have a job. I am not going to just sit there and not do anything, have a breakdown, and repeat that cycle until I'm in a super big depression, because that's what I'm prone to do. And so editing and doing all that has been probably a lifesaver here, that I'm keeping my mood up and everything. I'm sad that I didn't film in the US at all, a little bit now that I'm doing this, but hopefully I'll get going and doing it. It's going to take a lot to video, edit, travel. So we'll just see. I'm trying not to put pressure on myself, but if I want this to become something, then I have to put a little bit of pressure, so I'm doing stuff. We're about to have lunch. I'm going to go make lunch. And then we're going to try to go do mini golf, which we get for free here at the hotel. I don't think it's not one of the cool American mini golf courses because we went and saw it earlier today. It should be fun. It'll be something to do, get out of the room, which I love being in the room by myself. And then she wants me to go to meet and greet, but I don't know if I want to do that. I don't want to do it at all. Let me rephrase that. I don't want to do that at all. I don't want her to have to go alone. There's a little update on our day, a little update of where I was at. Hopefully that gives y'all a good clue. If y'all have any questions or anything, just comment down below. One of the main points of me vlogging was to do fun things and try to make my life a bit more fun than it actually is. I was hoping that will curb mental blocks and mental instability in my life, is actually doing things that are fun and rewiring my brain to know that there is fun things in this world. And so that's actually one of the main points of me doing the vlog. I actually do need help and suggestions, so let me know down below what you think are fun things to do in the world while you're traveling, etc., etc. We'll talk to you guys later, and yeah, bye. So I just wanted to get on here, tell y'all goodbye for the evening. We went and played 3 rounds of mini golf, and I won. Like, I lost the first one really bad. The second one, I tied myself, but she lost that one. And the third one, I got the lowest score. And so I got better as it went, but it was really fun. I really enjoyed that a lot. Who knew how fun mini golf would be? I've always liked it, but I haven't played as an adult that much, so it was a lot of fun. Then, because I was on a high for mini golf, I went to the meet and greet, and we met these 2 really cool gentlemen that were just kind of creative and flowy, and so I just think I can learn so much from people like that because I'm a little more serious. I think you can learn a lot from other types of people. So I had one baby little slice of pizza and a glass of wine there. We came back, made pizza, so we're making pizza for dinner right now, and that's in the oven. And cleaning up, doing dishes, you know, the glamorous life of a traveler, doing dishes all the time, like normal life, you know, but whatever. It was a good day. An evening. Like, we walked a lot, we got a lot done, we met some new people. We will see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna go eat dinner and watch some TV. I hope you go out and make our world 1% better today, because that's our motto here, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, I always forget. You should subscribe, because, yeah, why not? Because you love me. Anyways, bye guys.